Hi friends, today I'm giving an honest review of the Kenmore Cordless 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, and I just want to say I'm super excited about this. It was so easy to assemble, literally took me seconds. I love that it stands up on its own. It even comes with a little floor mount right here so you can easily stand it up like this, maybe in your laundry room or whatnot. So super snazzy, and it's got room for attachments as well, which is super cool. So I love how easy it is to store this vacuum cleaner. And then also it comes with a charging cable, so it's super easy to just charge. You don't have to plug in your vacuum anymore all around the house when you're cleaning, which is awesome. You can use it in upright position, or you can use it super easily in handheld position as well. And it comes with all of these attachments. So say you want to use your bristle attachment, or you've got a crevice tool, or you have a 2-in-1 attachment. So there's so many different attachments, and literally you just pop them right in place. So say you want to use this attachment, you simply just slide it right in there, and it is super powerful. You literally just press this power button right here. So as you can see, you got a very spacious dustbin, which is awesome, and it's super easy to empty. You simply just press that button right here. Now let's go ahead and test the power. So let's go ahead and sprinkle some dirt on the floor. So let me see, put it right here so you guys can see. So we'll go ahead and test it in its handheld position first. So I've got my little bristle attachment tool. I'm gonna slide it down though. So even in its handheld position, it's vacuumed that all up super fast. Now let's try it in the upright position. So I'll show you guys how to empty this. I'm just gonna go ahead and plop out the dirt that I vacuumed up. So to empty this, it looks like, okay, you can slide out the filter, boom, and that's how you replace the filter as well, which does come with an extra filter, which is awesome. Boom, simply like that. Then you line this up and it will click in place. Boom. Now let's go ahead and test it on the floor where you guys can see it. There we go. Boom! Beautiful. I love how it lights up on the bottom, and it literally got it in one single swoop. So very, very powerful, very versatile, easy to store. I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner.